Imagine cruising down the open road in something straight out of the future, sleek, metallic, and unlike anything you've ever seen before. This is the 2028 Metallic Camper, and trust me, this three-wheel tiny home is about to flip everything you thought you knew about RV life upside down. Just wait until you see what's inside. At first glance, the body gleams like liquid silver, every curve reflecting the light like it was sculpted by an artist, not engineered by a machine. But this isn't just about looks. The metallic shell is made from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, making it incredibly lightweight yet unbelievably strong. Imagine something that can handle rough terrain, tight city corners, and long-distance travel, all while looking like it just rolled out of a sci-fi movie. Now picture this, you pull over beside a lake, hit one button, and the entire camper unfolds like a transformer. Walls slide out smoothly, solar panels tilt toward the sun, and LED light strips illuminate your surroundings. Within seconds, your three-wheeled vehicle transforms into a cozy, fully functional mini-home, complete with a panoramic glass roof so you can sleep under the stars. Inside, it's pure genius. Every inch of space is designed to perfection. The couch morphs into a double bed, the dining table folds into the wall, and hidden storage compartments pop out from the floor. There's even a compact kitchenette with an induction stove, smart fridge, and a sink that doubles as a cutting board area. It's small, but it feels massive thanks to smart mirrors that expand the view. And here's the part that really blows people's minds, the power system. The 2028 Metallic Camper runs on next-gen solar and battery tech, giving you up to 600 miles of travel without a single drop of fuel. Yes, it's fully electric. The solar panels recharge on the go, and when parked, the camper becomes a self-sustaining energy hub. You could literally live off-grid for weeks, power your devices, cook your meals, heat your water, all powered by the sun. The cockpit feels like a futuristic spaceship. A holographic dashboard displays your route, battery levels, and weather conditions. The steering adjusts automatically to terrain, and autonomous mode means you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride while the camper does the driving. And let's not forget the design, the metallic finish isn't just for looks. It's resistant to rust, heat, and even impacts, ensuring your camper looks brand new for years. It's durable, eco-friendly, and surprisingly affordable compared to traditional RVs that guzzle fuel and cost a fortune to maintain. So why pay rent when you can own freedom on three wheels? The 2028 Metallic Camper is more than just a vehicle, it's your mobile future. Whether you're chasing sunsets, working remotely, or living life on your own terms, this three-wheel tiny home is your ticket to limitless adventure.